Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this simple and glamorous summer makeup look. This look is inspired from Deepika Mutial. She is a beauty blogger and a YouTuber. I will link down her details below so you can check her out. This is a really simple, easy to do makeup look and you can wear it anywhere with a flush of colors on the lips and the cheeks. It makes it perfect for this summer. Also you can glam it up using your own choice of colors. If you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. But before that, please make sure to click on that subscribe button. To start off, I am using two primers today. First, I'm using the Loreal base Magique and I'm applying it on my T-zone and on the areas where I have larger pores, and I'm dabbing it in my skin to make sure my skin is smooth and my foundation goes on flawless on it. And I'm just pressing it into my pores, and for the rest of my face I'm using Goel Cosmetics primer. It has SPF and it's an hydrating primer, so it will provide me a lot of hydration and works best for my dry skin. And for my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit foundation. This is one of my absolute favorite drugstore foundation, and I absolutely love the texture of this foundation. So I'm just dotting it all over my face and blending it with a beauty blender. This is Nykaa Master Blend. I'm just going on with another layer of foundation as I felt that coverage was a bit less. So I'm just going in with another layer and dabbing all the foundations in on my skin and bringing it down on my neck. For my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit concealer in shade 25. I will be using the Maybelline products for my base today, and most of the products I have used are drugstore, so you can create this look really easily. I'm applying concealer on all the areas where I need little more coverage, that is under my eyes and around my mouth, and I'm blending it again with my beauty blender. I am more of a brush person, like I like to use brushes more, but I just thought to go with a beauty blender today. Now to highlight my face, I'm again using Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer. This is in shade light. This is a perfect concealer for highlighting, very lightweight on skin, and very little quantity is required and your face looks immediately highlighted. Also it gets blended in seconds, so you can see I've just touched it like just 2 to 3 dabs and it gets blended. Now to set my under eyes, I have again used Europe Girls Cosmetics loose powder in shade 04. I just missed to show it to you guys, and I've set my under eyes with it, and for the rest of my face I've used a brush. I don't want much of a powder going on onto my face. I've just used a brush and just dusting it all over my face. Now to contour and sculpt my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild sculpting duo, and with the use of contour powder I'm just sculpting out my cheekbones and my jawlines and hairline, and also contouring my nose with it. For blush today, I'm using this MUA's hot pink blush. I am currently obsessed with this blush. I absolutely love it, how it feels, and I'm just blending it into the contours. Also, just to remove the excess product, I'm going back to my blender and picking up all the excess product with it. To highlight my face, I'm using the Nykaa's highlighter, that is 24K Glam. I absolutely love this highlighter. Look how it makes your skin look so luminous and so glossy and luminous. I absolutely love it. I'm just highlighting the usual areas. That's my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, cupid's bow. And to set everything in place, I'm using Europe Girl Cosmetics setting spray. It smells amazing, and I'm dabbing my beauty blender again onto my face. This trick I have learned from Shreya and it works best. For my eyes today, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in Warm Nudes, and I absolutely love the colors of it. So I've used that light brown shade, and I'm putting it on my crease and the upper crease area. Now using this slightly darker brown shade, I'm placing it on the outer V and in my crease area and blending it inwards. Also, I'm taking the same colors on my lower lash line. Now moving on to the darkest shade on the palette, I'm putting it on the outer V area and blending it in my crease. Make sure there are no harsh lines, so I am going back with my brush and just blending everything in place and giving it a really smoked out look. For my lids, I have used the Zoeva's Rose Gold palette, and this shade name is a foil, and I'm putting it all over my lids, like I'm covering 3/4 of my lids with it, and I'm using my fingers and just placing the product correctly. And to blend everything in, I'm going back to the dark brown grayish shade and I'm blending it in my crease and the outer V area. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using this light shimmery colors and using a pencil brush to highlight. And I've just put on some eyeliner, and for my lips I am using the PAC lip liner in Pinked Up and lining up my lips. I don't own too many lip liners, so I just work with 2 or 3 of them, so that's it. For my lipstick, I'm using the Colourbar lipstick in Take Me As I Am. This is my favorite pink lipstick and it's really bright. Just to add a little more highlighter, I'm going back with the same brush. To finish off the look, I'm using my Loreal mascara and put on some lashes. So this is the complete look. I absolutely loved how it turned out. So if you like this look, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.